On today's episode of Crappy RV, where I explain why RVs are crappy, it's story time. So we bought this rig brand new and we got an inspection. And even though we got the inspection, when we got out, we were about a month or two into it and our leveling system wasn't working and our slides weren't working. So we called the manufacturer and they said it's the hydraulic fluid. So I added more. Then about 2 or 3 weeks later, I had to add more hydraulic fluid. Then we were setting up one day and I saw underneath there was fluid coming down. So I called an RV tech, he came out and it was a connection for one of the hydraulic lines that was disconnected. So he connected it, but then we found out that all that hydraulic fluid was stuck in the underbelly. So we had to cut the underbelly, drain it all out, and that wasn't salvageable. So we had to call the manufacturer to send us another underbelly. That got stuck in like Miami for 2 months or something like that. And then we finally got it. Then we had to reschedule the RV tech. He finally came out, he finally fixed it. And that was just the beginning of all of our problems. Good luck out there.